Alright guys, so today I've been getting a crap ton of requests to do Bass I Love You on the Subwoofers. I don't know why people actually like this song so much, but bass heads really love these songs. First, I don't even know. But I'm going to play it today because I've been getting a crap ton of requests and it's just been getting on my nerves, so let's just do it. Goodness. Oh, boy. Let's see this sub stink. Alright, nope, they don't stink. Okay. Holy cow. That was loud. Holy shit. Holy cow. That was fun, though, too. That song actually played pretty dang loud on the crescendos. Typically, I have my here's and there's with songs. Like, some of them don't play as loud as others. But that one actually was really loud. I nearly had to cover my ears. Oh, my God. Jeez. God dang, I love that wiring job I did with the 4 gauge yesterday. That is so cool. Goodness.